Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and doing beautifully. We are again back here with another hairstyling video tutorial that is going to make your day. Let's see what lovely hairstyles are we going to make, and here's to the lovely beautiful cute bun that we have made while talking. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Again we are going to make some rolls in the hair and the patterns like this by twisting the hair back and forth and then tackling it with the help of beautiful lovely clutches. Again we are going to make some beautiful rolls in the hair and going to create something unique and something beautiful and tackling it with the help of beautiful clutches. Let's see what another hairstyles are we going to make. Make a beautiful heart-like shape in this way. Make pleats like this, taking the hairs out like this, giving it a messy look. Messy hairstyles are definitely one's favorite and it adds to the hair's beauty. Now let's see crisscrossing the hair like this and securing it with the help of clutches. Again we are going to make a beautiful heart-shaped pattern in the middle of the hair, and by taking the hair back and forth in a zigzag pattern and by making the rolls like this. Isn't this pattern looking really pretty? Definitely it is. Now let's see what another hairstyle are we going to make now. Here we are going to create another heart-like pattern, again making a beautiful pleat like this, rolling it in this way and again rolling it in this way, and this is the end of this story. Isn't it looking really amazing? Aren't you excited to try them on your own? Definitely you should. Again we are going to create a bun like this. This is yet interesting hairstyles that is going to adorn you, and this is a bow-like structure that is personally my favorite. Making a pleat like this and rolling it into the middle, giving it a flowery look. Again we are making some beautiful hairstyles by making partitions in the hair and securing it with the help of clutches by rolling it, making pleats and rolling it in this way, and this is looking simply pretty. Again make hairstyles like this by rolling an hair like this, making a beautiful zigzag pattern, and then extra hair you can make pleats and roll it into the form of bun, and you can always secure it with the help of clutches. Again we are going to recreate this hairstyle, and this is how we are going to make this lovely pattern. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Yes it is. Again we are going to make another interesting hairstyle. Aren't you excited to see the end result? By making and securing the hair like this and this simple bun, and you can always put the beautiful decorative clips in the middle. Again we are going to make something interesting. Let's see and wait for the end result, and this bun is simply amazing. Now taking partitions like this, taking small partitions and making a zigzag pattern out of them from the topmost head to the lower end, and this pattern is looking simply pretty. This is something like French bed, Proceeding further, we are making another interesting hairstyle, making a bun-like pattern in the end, and this is looking simply amazing and pretty. Yes it is.